Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number that is AI-4, and here the topic is foundational concept of artificial intelligence and how artificial intelligence is teaching and how machine is learning to become more and more intelligent. That is called machine learning. So there is a combination of artificial intelligence and continuous teaching to machine to become intelligent. That is called machine learning. So broadly speaking, artificial intelligence is application which is based on trillions of data. So all are under artificial intelligence, and at secondary level the very basic concept, very fundamental of artificial intelligence concept should be clear to students. And here let me make it very clear how the students at secondary level and lot of other undergraduate students, they have fear. They are running away from learning this new technology. Artificial is a new technology. It has lot of potential. Artificial intelligence is power, is a digital power. It is a digital magic, artificial intelligence. And it is teaching where machines are learning a lot and they are becoming artificially more and more intelligent. Why I am saying artificial? Because in previous lecture I have already discussed. One is natural intelligence, that human being. And the other one is in that similar type, not same, similar type of intelligence is taught by AI in machine on the basis of feeding of data. And that is how machine becomes intelligent. But the student should understand very well the difference in human natural intelligence and artificial intelligence. They should be able to understand which one is AI and which one is not AI. Even in artificial intelligence there is confusion. Some of these students, they don't understand that if something is automatic, like your television automatically if it is working, your washing machine is recycling automatically working, but they are not AI. They are not based on AI. The reason is that any device which is based on AI must be on database, decision making. So that is very important. If there is no data base, there is no decision making, it is automation. For example, car is moving. So automation is there, but it is combined with artificial intelligence decision making, because car is going, if any animal comes or any other car comes, it knows, it will take decision. So wherever decision is involved, then it is intelligence, artificial intelligence. So students should understand by giving the example that there are several devices, smart devices, they are automated, they are automatic, they are making lot of cycle. The best example is your washing machine. If you put on, it is cleaning the cloth clockwise, anti-clockwise, and all direction it is washing automatically, and then it will be off. Work is done. That is automation, because it is not taking any decision. And human intelligence and artificial intelligence means where there is common sense, there is emotion, there is empathy, there is sympathy. These things are not there in artificial intelligence machine learning. So that is the big difference. At secondary primary level, teachers should explain in a very simple way by demonstration that these things students should understand: artificial intelligence, natural intelligence, automation, and whether artificial intelligence looks like magic. No, it is not magic. It is working on the basis of data. It is working on the basis of algorithm, means maintaining the ratio, mathematical ratio, and it is a digital work. It is not having any magic. And there are several branches and domains of artificial intelligence, and we should demonstrate and tell them by putting some figure or image. Like I have given here one circle, I will show you. So here I have given the branches, that is artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence is having 5 domains, branches. One is called machine learning, the other one is called deep learning, and then neural networking, and then natural language processing, and computer vision is your total under the umbrella of, under the circle of artificial intelligence. These are the domains, these are the branches of artificial intelligence: machine learning, deep learning, then language programming, computer vision. And then again there are several branches in machine learning. The other branches are, that is supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning, and incomplete unsupervised learning. So these are all. The machine learning is having 4 branches. One is called supervised learning, other one is called unsupervised learning, then enforcement learning, and semi-supervised learning. On all these topics, my deep concept of these topics, lectures on YouTube is there. Supervised, unsupervised, enforcement learning, all these things are given. And why I am delivering, making it more simple, so that once you understand the very basic fundamental of all these terms, then by watching you will learn all the concept. My 30 lectures are there on artificial intelligence, language programming, different type of tools, and all the machine learning, deep learning, AI, generative AI. Machine learning, if I am saying, it has lot of broad meaning and potential. Lot of different tools are there in this, applications are there. Then you come to deep learning. In that deep learning, generative AI is there, where your ChatGPT is there, most powerful tool nowadays. All your Google, Facebook, and what is that, Neuralink, Amazon, all are under only one circle, that is called artificial intelligence, which is providing or teaching by providing data, algorithm, calculation, all these things. So here, this circle I have given, this is the circle. The biggest circle of ocean, that is called AI. This is your artificial intelligence. Then under one, the first layer is, that is machine learning, ML, where artificial intelligence is teaching machine to learn on the basis of data, and day by day, by training, by artificial intelligence, the machine learning, by after learning a lot, it will become very, very intelligent. Then again, the third circle is coming. This third circle is deep learning. Learning is enough. If you are expert and master in this machine learning, is enough. But if you are aiming to go for research, very high qualification, master, PhD, then you should go for deep learning, and where a lot of research, data analysis, and data scientists are there, data management is there, data purification is there, lot of research is involved. That comes under That meaning itself is deep learning, very specific deep learning of all these data and algorithm and language programming. And then in the center, that is called the highest level, where that is generative AI, means it is making mimicry of human intelligence, and in the form of robot. They can understand, they can read, they can do the work, they can be your assistant, your secretary, like Alexa, like Siri in Google. Lot of applications are there. That is under your generative. It can create and regenerate very, very new type of thing which might have not even existed on this earth. And whatever command you will give, that generative AI has crossed all the limit. It can go to any extent. It is very much creative. 1,000 times, million times better than human being. That is called generative AI. So all these tools, they should understand. And here, let me make it clear. Most of the secondary school students in part 1, BSc students, I am always telling and I am repeating. All of you are not going to become data scientists, data analysts, and data manager or data engineer. Lot of based on data, all this. That is where you are going to construct, you are going to make, you are going to build. You are building of different tools with different data. So if you are builder of all these applications, you are building ChatGPT, you are building machine learning, you are building deep learning, you are scientist, you are in higher qualification. The other group is that you are using, two group of students are there. One is building and second group are using. So what is happening nowadays, all these applications and tools, if you are going to YouTube or social media, even in Lagos, Abuja, in India, Delhi, there are many people, they will say, okay, come with crash course. In 1 day time, you will learn whole, that is machine learning. In 1 day time, you will understand the whole artificial intelligence. In 3 days time, you will understand whole GPT. All these applications is fraud and cheating. It is not possible. What they are doing to earn quick money. That's why I'm always telling, please inject deep basic knowledge, fundamental, so that they should understand, they should become builder. They should build. They should be creative. And they can build and they can be creative only when they have deep knowledge of anything. Whether it is AI, whether it is chemistry, whether it is physics, whether it is botany, or any type of computer technology. So basic knowledge is very important. Secondly, don't tell them that something, I'm in Gaza or I'm in Maiduguri, it is impossible because we are not having anything, we don't have any platform, we don't have any background. Please, just delete all these type of negative thinking. You can do. If I can do, then why not you? It needs practice. It needs learning, practice, reading, writing, and then doing. Reading, doing, practice. And once you are having the practice, your mind will become creative. You will be having analytical, creative thinking. You will be focused with your object. So then you can become a data scientist. Then you can become a data analyst. Then you can become the expert in data engineering, expert in data purification. All these are only hanging on one thing, and that is data. So that is about building. But if suppose you are not going much for lot of higher education, learn. That is your, all these things, that is, you use them. So that is, you become user. So once you are becoming user, then of course, you can go for different applications, different apps. You can design, you can edit all these tools, whatever is given, you can use quickly. So there is opportunity in using, and you can earn good money, and there is opportunity in building. Whether you want to become the builder of technology, of artificial intelligence, or you want to become user. In both conditions, you are going to benefit. The only thing is that if you have broad vision means you are ready to sacrifice yourself to learn a lot, go very much deep inside regenerative AI, then you build. Then you have to go for some lot of statistical data, mathematical data, and to become expert and to learn more and more Python, Java, C, positive, lot of language programming. And my all lectures are there on YouTube. So once you are, why I have taken this step? Because I came to know that in schools they are zero. They cannot define what is AI. They don't know what is machine learning, what is artificial intelligence, what is that one. So that is very, very important. So here I have written in the form of summary in a very simple way, and it is my humble request to teachers that first let them read and understand very well, so that they can very clearly tell in simple language to their secondary school students. First thing is that they should tell them that AI is a teacher for a machine on the basis of data. What AI is very rich in data. With the help of that data, it is a super teacher for machine, that is called machine learning. And by that teaching, different type of tools are there that I have given here. So here, number one, in order to understand that how machine becomes intelligent, it is important for teacher to teach students to know about various domains and branches of AI. That is what I have mentioned here. The whole AI is given here. It needs only practice and lot of inside applications. That's all. And I will be taking one by one simple applications. But that is, I am always and always repeating, it is by practice, by practice. So, number two, students should understand that artificial intelligence works on the feed of data algorithm. If that is ratio, if they don't understand, simply tell them that it works on simple mathematics and data feed. Number one, AI. Now you have to clear this concept. AI is not emotional like human. It has no emotion. It has no common sense. It has no empathy. It has no sympathy like human being. Second, AI is not magic. Some of them, they may think that because nowadays the students' question was asked, tell about God. So one student got up in the primary school, said that Google is God. Teacher was surprised. He asked, how you are saying that Google is God? That was a female small girl. It was fourth or fifth standard. She replied, because she was watching in her house, she said that Google can tell everything. Whatever I am asking, Google will reply. So only God can do. So like that. So students should be given very clear concept that human intelligence, how they can identify. Also, they should be able to identify in automation and artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence means the artificial intelligence is making decision on the basis of data. Automation cannot make decision. And also AI is not magic. It is a digital technology on the basis of data. AI cannot survive without data. Others can survive without data, but AI cannot survive without data. Number 3, machine learning. AI teaches a machine. AI is a teacher to machine to learn, to become more intelligent. That we should tell the students that AI is teacher, super teacher of data, super teacher of algorithm, and that will make machines very, very intelligent at different level, at different layers. So AI teaches a machine to learn how to make decisions on the basis of data, feeding, supervised, unsupervised, reinforcement, and semi-supervised data that I have already explained. Then number 4 is that is deep learning. Deep learning is the branch of AI teaches machine to process input of data through different layers. That is called deep. Then number 5, neural networks. That is, it is the branch of AI that works similar like human networking. Networking means we have lot of cells, and all those neuron cells, they are connected with each other. So for that we are making artificial neural networking, and lot of networking is made. On that basis it becomes more and more regenerative and super intelligent, just like human being. Not human being, it can mimic, it can imitate, but it cannot have the common sense what we have. I mean, it will work only on the basis of input and output data. Then natural language programming. That is the branch of AI that teaches machine to read natural language, and they can reproduce in the same way, in the same natural form. Then computer vision. Computer vision, the AI teaches machine or computer to recognize the image, and here nowadays this AI computer vision is becoming very, very powerful. Just last week, Dubai airport, they have introduced on the basis of AI image recognition. No need to go with airport with passport, just walk out. Get down. If you don't have luggage, even if luggage is there, that is also they are monitoring, and get out. Not a lot of counters are removed because that is image AI vision that is taking care. So with this I will stop. I will be always requesting, repeating, learn by reading, then again practice, and practice by doing. By reading you are learning, and by doing you are learning. And unless you are practicing, it requires lot of sitting and practicing. Only by practice you can have this very good skill. Otherwise, I have already told you, reading lot of books how to drive the car, you cannot drive unless you sit and practice it. So these all artificial intelligence applications and tools you can be master and very good, where you can use if you cannot build, and you can earn lot of money by getting very good job. Once again, thank you very much for watching the lecture.